Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can answer your questions, whether you provide information, and even engage in you with conversation. ChatGPT is essentially a large language model that has been trained on a massive amount of text data, allowing it to generate responses to a wide variety of questions and prompts. And the best part is it's completely free to use. So to get started with ChatGPT, all you need is a device that can connect to the internet and access to a web browser. Here are the steps to use ChatGPT. So step 1, open up your web browser and go to OpenAI, or type in https://apps.chatgpt.com, or just type ChatGPT. Next step is, once you're on the ChatGPT website, you'll see a text box where you can type in your question or prompt. Simply type in your question or prompt and hit the enter key. ChatGPT will then generate a response based on whatever you typed. If you want to connect the conversation or ask a follow-up question, just type it in the box and hit enter again. ChatGPT will then keep the conversation going as long as you keep answering questions or providing prompts. And that's it. Using ChatGPT is really that simple. Just keep that in mind. ChatGPT is an AI model and its responses are generated based on the data it has been trained on, so it's not always 100% accurate or reliable. But it can still be a great tool for getting quick access to your questions or engaging in interesting conversations. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech and AI content.